If you're dealing with a DOT violation right now, I know how overwhelming and stressful that can feel. And I'm Cindy, by the way, or the SAP Lady. I created this channel because I believe you deserve clear, honest answers on how to get your career back on track. I'm a DOT-Qualified SAP provider, and I see so many drivers struggling through the clearinghouse process just because they don't have the right information. So whether you found me from TikTok or here or wherever, my goal is the same: to take the stress out of the regulations and give you a clear path forward back to return to duty. So I want to make sure you have everything you need to succeed. So along with the videos I post here, I also put together some free and paid guides that walk you through the process step by step. You can find those linked down in the description box, and they're there to help you save time and get back to work as smoothly as possible. So I'd love to have you join the community here. So hit subscribe to stay updated on all the tips and info I share. The process is a journey, and you don't have to do it alone. So let's get you moving forward in the right direction. So I'm glad you're here, and I'll see you in the next video.